Three things you need to do before you go and see an attorney when you're considering filing bankruptcy. First thing is you need to collect your bills. Get them all together, put them in a pile. I know that can be stressful because you don't want to face what you have to deal with, but collect your bills. Second thing you need to do is you need to divide them into two piles actually. One is your monthly household bills. Let's call these the good bills. What you're paying for utilities, what you're paying for food, what you're paying for car insurance, etc. Bottom line is some of those you don't have the bills. If you at least write them down on a sheet so you know what they are, that's going to be helpful. The other pile, that's going to be the bad bills, the ones that are sucking you dry, the credit card debt, the personal loans, the taxes, the student loans, whatever else is out there, regardless of what you think can be done with them by the attorney that you're going to be talking to, put them in the bad pile and bring them with you to the attorney's office. The third thing you need to do is you need to get your pay stubs together. And once again, you've got to do two things with those. You've got to figure out what is your gross income per pay stub or per month or per week or per bi-weekly, however you're paid. You've got to figure out what you get paid before taxes. Then you also need to figure out what you get paid after taxes. So what's your take-home amount? Before taxes gross, after taxes net. If you know those two, the attorney will be able to calculate your income accurately and be able to tell you better what he can do for you. So those are the three things you want to do before you go in and see an attorney. Just go over, collect your bills, divide them into two piles, the household bills and the debt you're going to get rid of. And the other thing is get your statements, pay stubs, pay advices, whatever you get from your employer to get paid. If you're self-employed, you need to sit down and do an analysis of what you've been making over the last 6 months. Sit down and basically write down what you've been making before you pay all your expenses and after you pay all your expenses.